Located right here in Vaughan, the Holistic Health Clinic has opened up its doors to the public for a health fair where practitioners will provide workshops and seminars on alternative medicine and holistic therapies, teaching people how to live well and be healthy, mind, body, and spirit. Ready to get zen? Now in its 4th year, the clinic's open house put the spotlight on alternative medicine and holistic healthcare. Participants were given an inside look into the services offered at the clinic. The day was filled with free workshops and seminars on health and wellness, which included yoga classes and workshops on healthy eating, to name but a few.
All of our practitioners are here at the clinic. We are talking to the public, answering their questions, and we are here to help you.
The event featured excellent and well-known speakers in the field of holistic medicine.
I'm actually a client of Holistic Health Clinic. I've been a client for 2 years, and I have been to their other open house events, and they just get better every year, so I was really excited to come to this one today. The practitioners always put on really good seminars with lots of information. It's free, so I always learn a lot when I come, and the seminar I'm most excited about seeing is Dr. Avi. He's the chiropractor here, and he's always got some good workshops.
Organizers wanted to create an environment where participants would feel comfortable to ask them any and all their holistic health-related questions.
Really the main difference between alternative, or I like to call it integrative medicine, and conventional medicine is that we don't just address the symptoms that someone is experiencing. We address the root cause or the underlying cause of the symptoms. The easiest way to explain it is with a headache. When you experience a headache, your go-to medicine would be an Advil or a Tylenol, for example. When someone comes to the clinic and they're experiencing chronic headaches, their practitioner will address the underlying cause.
Practitioners here say holistic medicine and therapies aren't quick-fix alternatives. However, they say using natural methods could make you healthier for the long haul, from the inside out.
Our practitioners educate their clients on how to participate in their health and wellness. They help them with lifestyle changes, permanent lifestyle changes, nutrition, exercise, importance of just taking care of yourself. It's not about taking a pill and everything goes away. It's about education. And we do not use drugs and medications, so we don't have to suffer from side effects of medications. It's drug-free, which is, I think, one of the biggest benefits as well.
A goal of the event is to teach people that there are other health alternatives available.
Most of the population doesn't realize that they have a choice. When they experience a disease, they often will go the conventional route because that's really all they know. But really integrative medicine is the key. So what we're trying to create is an atmosphere where people will come here and feel safe and know that they are getting the best in integrative health. So we also will take into consideration their treatment plan with the medical doctor as well.
Feeling better already? Whether you've been swearing by holistic therapies for years or want to be introduced, then you should definitely come to the Holistic Health Clinic. There's something here for everyone. I'm Elaine Złotowski, and that's York Region Living.